Konnichiwa, I hope everyone's good. So I'm going to redo my EDC video for this month because there's been one or two items that just haven't worked out for me. So I'll just delete the last EDC update. And unfortunately, I've got to do this one indoors because it's pitch black outside, it's 12 o'clock at night and it's pissing down with rain, and I'm not going into a field just to do an EDC video in the middle of the night in pissing down rain. So anyway, start off with bandana, boring bandana, very useful though. As far as the keys go, nothing's changed with these, still got the Phoenix NW20, the Phoenix E05, Uncle Bill's Silver Grippers, Leatherman Squirt PS4 and the Boga Plus Vox Design Titanium pry bar. As far as the watch goes, it's still the Edifice. Flashlight's still the Phoenix LD22. Awesome flashlight. Discontinued now, unfortunately. Lighter I forgot to show in the last video because I couldn't feel it in the pocket, so I just forgot it was there. But it's a table flame military model. Still got the Mikami ring. Don't drink beer anymore, so bottle opener function's kind of pointless on it now. Still got the TCP Maxpedition. One of the main things I wasn't happy with was the Travax wallet. It was just too fiddly getting cards in and out, and we've got plastic money now in the UK, and I found out they were just getting jammed up in the little coin thing, and they were painting to actually have to yank them out. You couldn't just slide them out nicely, so they just kept on getting stuck under the thing. So I've given that to a friend. But as far as the wallet goes, I've gone back to the Maxpedition. I think it's the Urban, and I'm still using the paracord wallet chain that I made for it. Actually had to use some of the paracord, so I've got to rewrap that. Instead of using a knot though, I just stitched it together. It's been holding up well. As far as the contents of the wallet goes, still got just the basic mini survival kit, beefed up a little bit now that it's in a bigger wallet. Still got the nano paracord, the heavy duty seal needle, signal mirror, P38 can opener, fishing kit, ferrocerium rod, all taped onto the top snap knife. And Fresnel lens, and 4 lifeboat matches, and the striker, and then a little case that I made for the silver coin, 1000 Japanese yen from 1964. So that's the contents of the wallet. As far as the knives go, the general purpose EDC knife is still the Nagaho Hiyonokami with stone washed handles, blue paper steel, nice 4mm thick blade. I think it's a beautiful knife, and I really like using it. It's been perfect so far. It's still a very stiff blade. It's definitely not going to collapse on your fingers. It's not going to shake open in the pocket, though I still do carry it in the homemade pouch that I made for it. But that's that. is a general purpose EDC. As far as the work knife goes, going back to the Cold Steel Mini Pendleton, the original one. I think they're starting to remake this now, but I don't know what the new steel is. But that's the original VG1 Japanese steel. Hopefully they're using that in the newer ones. As far as the multi-tool goes, I had to change that because I've recently been needing saw blade in an awl, in scissors, in a chisel that's come in real handy. The M600 doesn't have any of that, so I've gone back to the Maxpedition, not the Maxpedition. I've got Maxpedition on the brain. Victorinox Swiss tool, Spirit. In my opinion, it's the best EDC multi-tool you can get, and I think I'm going to be just carrying this from now on. I keep on going back to this all the time. It's a real nice multi-tool. Anyway, that's it for my personal EDC. As far as the bag goes, also going to be changing that to the Maxpedition Pygmy Falcon, just because it's gathering dust. As far as the contents of that goes, just a schmog, Maxpedition fast fit gloves that are starting to wear out, so I'll have to replace those soon. Little pouch. And here I've just got the power bank, some zip ties, cable for charging the phone, 36 bank line, some gaffer Gorilla tape with a small seal needle, and Leatherman Prana, kilt pins, and a small roll of thread to go with the small seal needle. And that's it for that. Still got the binoculars, Suzuki Overdrive harmonica, really nice harmonica, a little bit more expensive, but I like it. A little trickier to play as well. It doesn't have the holes here, it's got them on the side, so you've got to watch where you put your fingers. It's got a good sound to it. And I've still got the tops. Pry, probe and punch tool always comes in handy. Bike light with a clip, which clips onto the webbing of the belt, on the bag. So if I'm walking down next to a road at night, hopefully it stops cars from slamming into us. As far as the first aid kit goes, it's still the same. Got the CRKT kit, sting relief, Israeli bandage, antiseptic, face shield, super glue, band-aids, non-absorbent, non-adhesive sponges, suture needles, and all of that. Another new item for serious burns, because I've been burnt a few times out in the woods. That one was the last one. That's not serious, but there's always a chance of getting a serious burn. So I've got a burn aid spray for that. Slingshot. I think it's the Bill Hayes design target sniper. I've just got a little pouch with some ammunition for it. 9mm balls, lead. And that is it for my EDC. Apart from obviously the axe head walking stick from when I'm walking around in the countryside in the woods, and I've got the cold steel city stick for walking around towns and cities, and I've stuck a bigger rubber bit on there. And that is my EDC for this month. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, Chana.